Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name's Selah.
Eric, Jace, Oscar.
This is Eric, and this is Eric's dog, Jace. And in this video, what we're going to be covering is removing the old roof fan from the front of the trailer, removing the old AC unit from the center of the trailer, and removing the fart fan from where the bathroom was. So we're going to be putting in 2 new roof fan units and a new bathroom exhaust.
Just call it by its name. Everybody knows that.
I know, but so we're gonna show you guys how to remove all of that and how we're gonna go about putting the new things in. We'll show you guys. Okay,
we're gonna drill it out and rivet it in.
Yeah. So we're gonna start by removing everything. We'll show you guys how we do it. It's really just drilling out rivets like everything else in this trailer is, and we'll show you guys the new products we'll be using. As always, everything we used will be linked in the description below. Unaffiliated, not sponsored, nothing like that. Just everything we found that worked for us. So without further ado, let's get started. Hello.
That stuff. I'm just getting your next scraping project all cleaned up for you, because all this sealant has to come off. I can take it apart, pull the pieces apart, or we can just pull the entire thing off at once. I look jank. Day 2, getting the AC unit off. So follow us up the ladder. You don't really have a choice because that's where you're going. Day 2's on hold. It's too hot. So the trailer originally had rounded cornered fans, I guess you could say. Yeah. And the ones that they make nowadays are not round, they're more squared off. So I have to cut the edges to make it more square. Selah can show you inside probably.
If we look from the inside here, let's zoom out. You can see the corners are okay, we have a temporary skylight. We just took the plexiglass that used to be our second back pane for this window and repurposed it to be a skylight cover for this. But the corners are a lot more rounded in than our new fan, so Eric is trying to take the skylight out, and then I guess we're just gonna kind of shave the corners to make them a little more square. It's a little smaller, but the corners are sharper.
Oh, it's gonna be the same size. That's just because those holes are where it mounted. I needed the Sharpie.
This looks like a really cool album cover thing.
You know, instead of doing it like this, I think I want to just get something flat with these sides and just draw a straight line. Do it so it's a little bit bigger than it needs to be. Oh, It came unplugged. You ready? You got it on video? 2, throw it far. 3. That's the shiniest aluminum I've seen on this trailer.
Really?
That's pretty shiny. Can we look down? Sure. Okay, Ryan. It's good. Had to get the angle. I just got to seal around it and then put the cap back on.
This is the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and everything we used will be in the description.
Thursday at 3.
We'll see y'all then.
Yep.
Bye.
When?
Take it back. Don't just cough in my
I don't know how you want me to take it back. It's like you can't just reverse a cough.
ear.